A really eye-opening session for me to understand how important sleep is for our body and our minds. And I think we could realize that how the lack of sleep or being sleep deprived can affect our productivity, our daily routines, and even our body and physical and mental fitness. So I thank you for the great insights and teaching us the techniques, how to sleep well, the breathing techniques, especially the that one, and Bhastrika and Nadi Shodhan that you told us.
Great session. I am glad that we could touch base with you and organize this session for our team members. We have another webinar we are looking forward to. Our All India team is looking forward to. Apparently, this was the only place where we could have an in-person session. Otherwise, such sessions should be conducted, in person itself. It was a great session. I think overall, I've had feedback from all my team members. They really liked and appreciated the kind of involvement and sessions that were happening. So, great session. Thank you so much.